Hello everyone, I am Rajni and I am working as an intern in the Indian service. I done a project regarding machine learning and my project title is speech emotion recognition. First of all, I am going to explain my code. For that, I install the required packages for my project and then I'm going to import the packages for that and packages like Keras, NumPy, Librosa, JSN, Matplotlib, Panda, Seaborn, etc. and warnings. I'm going to get the data location and then I'm going to create the arrays like emotion path, and then going to create the data frame for the emotion and path. And next step is to custom the functions. Custom function is to extract the various features. 2D CNN takes in a 2D array of 30 MFCC bands by 216 audio length as input data. So I'm going to use Adam for optimizer. For that, there are some methods like data augmentation method for speed and pitch tuning. You can change the low and high and extracting the MFCC features as an image and then confusion matrix plot and creating the 2D CNN model, creating a standard deep 2D conventional neural network and then other functions. And then I'm going to read the CSV file required to me and I have downloaded that from Kaggle. So here it represents the path of the dataset and labels, and then I'm going to create an MFCC model and that is using without arguments. First of all, I'm going to split the train and the test and then encoding the target and normalization as the standard NN process and then building the CNN model and trying them and here as we see value loss is going to decrease slowly. First of all 2.25 is the value and then it going to decrease to 0.9 as value of loss is decreased and for the value of accuracy is going to increase. Starting it has a 0.20 and it's going to increase to 0.6524. Here I used approaches and just cut it at 20 instead of letting it over 50 or more. And here it represents the graph for train and test model. Here it represents the graph of that, and the test accuracy of this project is 65.24%. Here is the output of the project. There are two types of voices like female and male. There are different types of emotions like angry, distraught, fear, happy, neutral, sad, surprise, etc. And here this value represents how many files are there for the emotion with type of voice. And finally this is the output of the project and the accuracy is 65.24%. Thank you.